Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am filming another video for a quick and easy card. I'm using the Dandelion Wishes as well as the artisan texture. So let's see how this goes. The cardstock that I'm using today is crumb cake, and I already pre-scored this one at 4 1/4 and 2 1/8. But if you don't have a score tool, you are just folding it in half as usual, and then a half of the half. You see that? So it's just half and half. So you don't have to have the score tool, but it definitely will help you for this card. But it's not. If you don't worry about it. It will be okay. So now for this card, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be stamping actually the inside, and I have here. So the inside is this section. I'm going to be using this image with the crumb cake. And this is just going to be all random. But really I'm just focusing on the edge. You see that? I think you do. Anyway, so this is going to be the edge, and now I need to do a little bit more here, and voila. So this is going to go like so. Then I think I'm going to have this one here, and again this is just to have this here, and everything is covered. And this piece of paper, I didn't say, but it is 3 whisper white, and it's 3.5 by 3 3/4, and the mat is 3 3/4 by 4. So let's just do the stamping on this one, and I'm thinking I want to put first the sentiment, and then I'll go from there with the. I think that's what I want to do. We'll see how this one goes. Okay, so I want to put it, you know what, no, let's just do first this one, because I want to put that ribbon right there. So anyway, let's do this. Let's bring the stamp apparatus for a second before I do anything else. And let me clean this one, because I think that if for whatever reason I have an issue, I can. And have you tried our chamois yet? I mean, this is awesome. Awesome, and it only uses the water, so I am enjoying a lot this new tool. So anyway, so let's just go ahead and put this one here first. So I'm just gonna put it like somewhere here, just for right now. And I'm gonna take this one here. That way, yes, they're kind of, so I'm gonna put it like so. Then I'm gonna be closing these. I'll put this case here just to give me some surface. Let me just see. Yes. And honestly, I think that, let's just try again. Just want to make sure it's kind of in the middle, towards the top. Yes. Alright, so now that I have that, I'm going to be using crumb cake. And let's just see that. Alright. There we go. And see, I feel like I am missing some from here, and this is where I really like the stamp apparatus, because you can always go back and re-stamp the area. Yes, there you go. The area that you feel did not have enough ink. And I don't know why, but sometimes I have issues with this stamp set. So I've been using the Stamparatus for this stamp set just because I don't know what it is, that I'm having some issues myself getting the full image. I think it's just too many of these details. Sometimes I guess I'm not getting enough ink on them. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but because I'm sure it's me. So now that I have that one, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in this one. This one says wishing for a lifetime of love and happiness. So I think I want that one to go. And again, at this point, I don't think it matters what I'm putting my magnet, but I want to put it somewhere here, or maybe here, because I want to use this ribbon. Okay, that's the whole thing, what I am trying to get as much of this. I think I'm going to be putting it like so. And we'll see how that goes. I'm sure you know me by now. I never have a card made. I'm always on the go. Which I know is kind of crazy. And sometimes it works out well and sometimes it doesn't. So we'll see. Alright. There we go. I'm loving it. I really like that one. So let me close this one because I don't want to have. And let's clean this. Alright. Like I said, I'm liking this tool a lot. The new Ryan tool. I'll put this one there. And then I want to use the, yes, it looks really nice. I love how it looks. Let me just show you. Oh, put this one back on the Stamparatus, otherwise I'll be losing it. But let me just show you how it looks. Like a close up so you can see it. Now see how it looks. Yeah, I like that. Now for this one, I want to use the, where's this other set that we talk about? I might want to just put a little bit of these dots on a different color. And I was thinking maybe the mint macaron. And I'm not yet sure if I want, maybe this one. Yeah, I think maybe that one. So it's going to be really light. Let's just see how this one looks. And I'm going to be using, I think the mint macaron will be nice. Let's just bring the color. And maybe I'm stamping off. Yes, I think this just adds something. Yes, it adds something. It's not too overwhelming, but it doesn't seem that much of a, and you can see it here, I believe. I hope you can't. But it's really light. I think I like that a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead now and then actually I'm gonna put this one here because I only want it to be here. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting a little bit of snail on the back just so that I can have enough here. There we go. So I'm going to be doing a little knot or something. Yes. And maybe we need a little bit more of the ribbon. There we go. Now I want to do a little knot, so let's just do that from this pull. And there we go. So I'm going to be cutting it here. And I'm going to be cutting here. This is really subtle. But then I'm going to be gluing these to my card. And for this section, I'm actually going to be using glue dots. I think that it will be best that way, because I know that this nail might not glue the whole thing, and of course, when I need my glue dots, I'm always losing them. Give me 1 second, because I have them here. I just used them a minute ago for some other projects, so I know they're somewhere here. What did I do with them? Oh goodness, it always happens, you know me. They were right here. What did you do with them? Well, let me bring some new glue dots. Cause it not, and I'm sure, oh here they are. I'm sure the minute I bring the new ones, the old ones appear. It always happens. Alright, so here we go. And I'll put another one here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. That way I don't have anything on this side. Now, another thing that I was thinking to do is I have this cool, well, I don't have that many of this one, so let me bring another one as well. Oh, goodness, yeah. Well, let me use one of the big ones. For this. That way it kind of complements a little bit of that. And then I'll use one of the medium ones here. And I'll use another small one for this one. I think I have one itty bitty. Yes. So I'm using a brand new one, because I want one of those little bitty ones from here. And I'm going to be putting it like so here. That way I have a little bit of that macaron pulling in. And the other thing is, I was thinking I should probably use, if you remember, this Nature's one is the one that comes with 4 colors. So I'm just going to be using this to do a little, the mint macaron of course, to do a little bow. And I love how nice these are. There we go. And I'm going to be cutting here and cutting there, and this one will go right on top of this. That way it has a little bit of color, and it goes and pulls together that mint macaron that I put in the background. Don't you think? I'm going to be putting it like so. Now for this card now, to finish this card, I'm going to put it like so here. So I only need to put adhesive on this section. And we're going to be doing that. This is only on the half part of it. And we're going to go ahead and put it like so, because this one opens like this. Do you like it? So anyway, if you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to post regularly there, And also don't forget about my ordering incentive, where anytime you place an order using the hostess code of the month, and you get that hostess code on my blog at creatingwithali.com, you get a card kit in the mail the following month, because this is a monthly incentive, and to make 4 cards. And I'll send you everything, the card stock, everything that needs to be punched, it will be punched. Anything that has to be die cut, if I can, I will be die cutting it. But I will not be providing the stamping. And if you don't have the stamp set that I am using that month, definitely you can substitute to whatever you have, or even better, you can even order that stamp set the following month. So anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll put it in the description, the link to my blog, as well as the products that I used today, so that you can go ahead and find out what it is. Every link will take you to my online store. And again, if you use that hostess code, you enter into my monthly incentive. Now, if your order is $50 or more, you get the accessory of the month. So anyway, thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll be more happy. I'll be really happy to hear from you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.